Discord is giving away free Nitro again. I will show you how to do it, but before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 11,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. Use your PC for this and go to Explore option and click Quests. There you will find Claim 1 day of Nitro. Just accept that. So basically, in order to claim this 23 hours of free Discord Nitro, you need to do Discord activities like playing games or streaming YouTube video in a server for just 15 minutes. Yes, you heard that. No need to do anything fancy here. I will teach you. If you don't know how to do it, just follow me. After accepting the quest, join a voice chat of the server. There you can pick anything you want, most likely just one, I suppose. I will pick that farming game and play that game for 15 minutes. Now, if you want to check your progress, go to Explore option and don't worry, it won't interrupt your progress. You can check how much % you have finished. You can see that I have finished 74% so far. And after fast forward, I have completed the quest. Isn't that cool? Now I can claim my reward. You can see, this Nitro will be for 23 hours. There's one weird thing though, in this Nitro giveaway from Discord, you won't have the Nitro badge in your profile, but you can use Nitro perks like cover photo, Nitro emojis, and many more. I think the Nitro time is pretty less. But again, one more thing, you can't boost your server, that feature is not there too. If you want to read more about this, I will leave this article in the video's description. And also, this only works for PC, so don't rant in my comment sections, mobile users. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.